Hello students, good morning, welcome back. Class 9, subject IT, subject code is 402. We are continuing again our chapter 7, mastering typing. Today I am discussing about rapid typing software, and in this software there are so many things, means viewing and analyzing statistics, working with lesson editor. Okay, so first we know very well what is a rapid typing software. So this is a typing practice software. We can practice our typing easily and effectively. So it will manage all our activities and it will display our progress report, and there are so many things. Rapid typing software. So the rapid typing software is one of the popular software which help us to learn the concept of touch typing. Okay, means touch typing means to type the data from the keyboard without looking the keyboard, without seeing the keyboard. In rapid typing software, the taskbar lets you set some basic options to start a lesson like level, keyboard layout, lesson and lesson background. Okay, so this thing we can manage in this software. Means to start a lesson. In this lesson we can also control the levels, beginners, intermediate or expert. Okay, keyboard layout, we can change the keyboard style, looking style of keyboard according to our choice. Lesson and lesson background color, or we can also set the wallpaper and various animation things. Okay, to more interactive and more interesting. So the keyboard which you see on the screen is called virtual keyboard. Okay, so a simple keyboard always you can see on the computer screen. It will guide or direction how which key you want to type next. So this is similar to computer keyboard. Okay, in rapid typing software, when you press the correct letter, a green color appears on the type letter, but if we press the incorrect letter, a red color appear on the type letter. So we know very well, we if we type correct letter, so it always show in green letter, or if we type in, if we done any type of mistake, it will shown in red color. Okay, on the completion of the lesson, a result window appears which display the achievement of the learner. Okay, we can see our progress, we can see how word per minute unit, means how many words we had typed uh, per minute. Okay, so we can check our progress, typing progress. Okay, so we are using here rapid typing software, so there are so many options are available. So viewing and analyzing statistics. Okay, the statistics window display the result of all the lesson that you have already completed. Okay, so it keep your history. Okay, that static button is available of the left part panel of the screen. Okay, the statics window hold two tabs. Okay, course and lesson. So you always keep in mind, static windows hold two tabs, course and lesson. The course tab have four buttons. So in the rapid typing software, the course tab have four buttons: speed, CPM means character per minute, speed, WPM means word per minute unit, and accuracy and delete option. Okay, but in the lesson tab, always you to view the individual lesson errors or delays in the percentage with. Okay, so these are the things. So there are two buttons, course tab and lesson tabs. So we can also check our progress deeply and accurately. Okay, now next is lesson editor. The lesson editor window allows to customize lessons You can add, change, import, export, and remove courses and lessons and review each lesson statistics. So there are wide variety of options are available. Okay, so there are so much thing. We can also type in letter by letter, number by letter, word by word, sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph. Okay, with the help of mouse animation, with the help of keyboard animation, um, uh, options are available. So there are so much thing. Okay, but to create a new lesson according to our choice, so there are the direction. First you click on choose layout, select course, then click on the add new lesson button, enter name, course and type, then click ok. To delete a lesson, select the lesson which is to be deleted from the navigation tree and click on the button on the toolbar. Okay, to add a new course, click on the add a new course button, specify the name, choose the level, then click OK. To delete the newly created course, click on the delete button. So these are the facility. We can create a new lesson, we create a new course, we can delete our lesson, we can delete our course. Okay, so there are so many things we can perform. Okay students, thank for attending online class. Below you can see the below comment box. You must type your name and class with section and following question answers. Today's my question is, first question is, what is rapid typing software? Second, in the comment box you will write the answer. The second is, write any 2 points of viewing and analyzing statistics. Okay, and how do you do add a new lesson in rapid typing software? After writing the above answer in the comment box, you will type your question and your doubt also, so I will definitely reply. Okay students, but you must will give the answer of these questions. Okay, this is compulsory. You always mention your name, class, but always you will give the answer also. Okay, this is important, so don't forget. Okay students, thank you so much.